Assalamualaikum viewers, I am Mahian Jalil. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is a requested video. So today I want to share with you how can I upload a video in YouTube. So let's get started. First, we have to go YouTube. Then we have to click on this button. Okay. Then upload a video. I didn't mention it. This video has two steps. One step is how to upload and one step is how to give in skin, then thumbnail, then text. So first, this is the video. Now I have to give a caption. It's also called title. The title is how to change username how to change username in Facebook 2021. Now I mentioned this is an English tutorial and I mentioned my name Mahian Jalil. Okay, how to change username in Facebook 2021 English tutorial Mahian Jalil. Okay, done. Now I have to give description. I write it before, so I just copied it. Okay, copy. I'm just checking it. Okay, everything fine. Then I have to back. After that, we have to upload privately because I don't give any thumbnail or text or in skin. So I have to upload it private and then choose playlist. Okay, then I have to tap on upload. You can see it's uploading. So now we have to go Firefox because this browser can easily do this. I have to click on it. Then you can see it's already in my channel. So I have to go on video. I have to refresh it. This is the second step. So watch clearly. Now I have to edit. You can see this and this. So now I have to go down, scroll down and show more. Then you have to give your text. I already copied it. So I'm just put them all. You can see there's my text and this my language, videos language. So that's it. Now I have to give thumbnail. You can see my video is uploading here. Okay, now I have to click on the thumbnail, choose files. You can see this is my thumbnail. Okay, thumbnail is okay. I have to wait for some times because my in skin is not enabled, because my video is uploading. My video here you can see your video is currently processing. Please wait. Okay, just wait for some minutes. You can save it if you want. Okay, my video is processing. Okay, I skip for it because it's a long term, I think so. Okay, now my process is done. Now I have to click on in skin. Okay, now I have to choose one. I chose this one because this is input from latest video, so I chose this. Yeah, okay. Now I have to click on save. The in skin is saved. Now I'm seeing you how it comes. It's come like this. Okay, now I have to edit. I have to edit. I don't know why it is not doing. Okay, it's work. I fold it, I rotate it, so I think it's too much for me. Okay, I think this will be okay. Yeah, this will okay. Now I have to click on save. Then I come to cards. I give it there. I give a video. Yeah, I give this. Okay, now save. Then I have to give this video public, so I press on done, and after I press save, it will be upload on YouTube. So let's do it. Okay, I save. The video is uploaded. So that's it. Thanks for watching my video. So if you are interested, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Do like, comment and share with your friends and family.